Friend, I hope you are doing well and learning speaking English in great way. So my friend, today I came in our nearby Upazila. Actually, it is the Belkuch Upazila, and you can see behind me there are a lot of building, educational building, and I am came here with my uncle, and actually some working here. So we are came in this in this college. So actually we are finished some our work, and now we are just making video something purpose, practicing English purpose. So you can see a lot of people they are gossiping and conversation each other, and now I am just making video in the field, and lot of students they are waiting for their class. It is the noon. It is the morning time, so they are take the vitamin D. Actually, they are take sunshine. Obviously, they are take sunshine, and actually we are finished our work, and now actually after finish this video, we are going to out this our home. And actually today I'm making video and any purpose, but just practice speaking English a little bit grow. So I am practicing my speaking English in the public way, and I want to be it is the fluently speaker one day, and just I am practice in here any purpose. And now we are just walking and toward our home, and sometime later I will today this all activity I will show with you, share with you, and something, and lot of students they are actually focus me, and when I am making my video, they are ask me something, and they are something ask me, and I am always share with them. So take care, my friend. Bye bye.